Facing a financial hardship and worried about making your SoFi loan payment? You may have options to temporarily pause your payments. Today, we're exploring what SoFi calls payment relief. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This isn't automatic, and it's not a forgiveness program, but it can provide crucial breathing room during a tough time like a job loss or medical emergency. Your first step should always be to contact SoFi directly. You can call their member support or send a message through the app explaining your situation. Be prepared to briefly describe your hardship. SoFi may offer a temporary forbearance, which pauses payments for a set period. Remember, interest will likely continue to accrue, increasing your total loan cost. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: communicate early and honestly. Don't wait until you've missed a payment. Proactively reaching out to your lender shows responsibility and significantly increases your chances of being approved for assistance. So, just like that, you know the first move to make if you're struggling. A simple conversation can be a powerful financial tool. Have you ever had to use a forbearance program with a lender? How was the experience? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.